How to fix Windows error code 0x8007005. Here are some tips that would help you fix Windows error code 0x8007005. 1. Switch user account to an administrator account. 2. Scan for malware and virus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. Could not access some shared network resource? Add everyone to security tab in the shared folders properties. 4. Update Windows App Store and 0x8007005. Make sure that all users under local folder at c:\users\test\app data are given full control. 5. Office activation error code 0x8007005. Activate Office as administrator. Repair Microsoft Office via control panel. Like this. 6. Error 0x8007005 access is denied. Gain administrator rights. Use Microsoft's file and folder troubleshooter. Run SFC as admin. Run update/force command as admin, then reboot your computer. 7. Error 0x8007005 occurs when signing into your Microsoft account on Xbox One. Reboot your Xbox One console. Remove and re-download your MS profile. Ref, https support.xbox.com/n-us/help/error/error-code-0x8007005